I love pancakes. I know you do too. If you don't, then you're probably lying to yourself, or you haven't had an actual pancake. And do you know that pancakes can actually be good for you? The short version is, it repairs your cells, it is a good source of energy, and it helps to build strong bones. Pancakes are carbohydrates, so your body will actually convert it into fuel. Basically, it gives you enough energy to carry on your day. The healthiest way is to prepare your pancakes from scratch and use whole wheat flour to add that little fiber to your diet. Do use a non-stick pan to reduce your fat intake from the oils that you use and to get that smooth looking pancakes. About 1/3 of the manganese that you need each day can be found in one pancake. Manganese is a small part of many enzymes. Some help metabolize energy from the food you eat. It is also needed to form your bones. Phosphorus is needed for many body functions, such as filtering your waste and repairing your tissue and cells. It does keep your bones healthy and strong, and it creates energy for your muscles. Unfortunately, you can actually have too much phosphorus in your body, so do try to balance it out with some calcium. If it is too high or too low, it may lead to fatigue, heart diseases, or joint aches. Lastly, pancakes are a good source of riboflavin. Riboflavin is a B vitamin that helps your cells produce energy. So, are pancakes good for you? Well, of course. It gives you loads of energy, it keeps your bones strong, healthy, and it is tasty. It is great for breakfast and how you should start your day. So do go out and have pancakes. Finally, something healthy that you can actually eat. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you hate this video, give it a like. If you love this video, give it a like. Until next time.